Our planet holds secrets that challenge everything we think we know about science, from places where gravity seems to fail, to locations that defy the laws of physics. Today, we're exploring 20 of the most baffling places on Earth. These are 20 strange places that defy science. Let's begin our journey into the impossible. Number 20, Gravity Hill in Pennsylvania. Cars roll uphill here, defying gravity in ways that scientists still debate. 19, Death Valley's Sailing Stones. These massive boulders move across the desert floor, leaving perfect trails with no explanation. 18, the Bermuda Triangle. Compasses spin wildly, and aircraft instruments fail in this mysterious region. 17, Antelope Canyon's light phenomena. Light behaves strangely here, creating beams that seem to bend reality itself. 16, Lake Hillier in Australia. This lake remains bright pink year-round, and scientists can't fully explain why. 15, the Oregon Vortex. People appear to change height, and objects roll uphill in this gravitational anomaly. 14, Magnetic Hill in New Brunswick. Vehicles coast uphill when put in neutral, defying our understanding of gravity. 13, Minnesota's Devil's Kettle. Half of this waterfall disappears underground and no one knows where it goes. 12, Kawa-Ijen's Blue Fire. Blue flames burn continuously from this volcano, creating an otherworldly spectacle. 11, the Taos Hum in New Mexico. Residents hear a persistent humming sound that recording equipment cannot detect. 10, Norway's Hestellen Valley. Mysterious lights appear regularly here, baffling scientists for decades. 9, Mexico's Zone of Silence. Radio waves cannot penetrate this area, creating a communication dead zone. 8, California's Racetrack Playa. Rocks weighing hundreds of pounds move by themselves, leaving perfect trails. 7, the Marfa Lights in Texas. Glowing orbs appear and dance in the sky with no scientific explanation. 6, New Zealand's Meraki Boulders. These perfectly round boulders form naturally, but science struggles to explain how. 5, Skinwalker Ranch in Utah. This location experiences so many unexplained phenomena that it's become a scientific research site. 4, Peru's Nazca Lines. These massive drawings can only be seen from the air, created by an ancient civilization. 3, Stonehenge in England. How ancient people moved and positioned these massive stones remains a complete mystery. 2, the Bermuda Triangle returns to our list. More ships and planes have vanished here than anywhere else on Earth. 1, Antarctica's Hidden Secrets. Beneath the ice lie discoveries that could rewrite everything we know about our planet. These 20 places remind us that our world still holds incredible mysteries. Science continues to search for answers, but some secrets may never be solved. What other mysteries are waiting to be discovered on our amazing planet? Subscribe for more incredible mysteries and let us know in the comments which location surprised you the most.